Good morning and welcome to Brutally Becoming. Now, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the audio of your video louder. Let's say you recorded that video and it seems like the volume is quite low. You were talking on a low volume and you want to increase the audio of that video to make it sound louder. Now, the app we are going to be making use of today is BandLab. So I'll go ahead to my Play Store, open up my Play Store and download BandLab. As you can see, it's installed. So I just open it. BandLab. So let me just log in. Now, the reason why you log in, you create an account is so that you have your data stored on that app. Let me check if it's correct. I'm going to log in again. This one, because I have my older work. I don't want them scattered across the place. So I'm logged in on BandLab while using the app. It depends. I'm not making use of the studio app. It's just opening it for me since I'm using it on this device for the first time. I don't know where this audio is coming in from.
So the borrowing of it was not actually borrowing of.
Save. Let me just save it and close it. So now, this is what your BandLab homepage should look like. You are going to click the plus sign in the middle, as you can see, and you click on mastering. So mastering means make louder. So then it shows import your track. Select any audio or video file. So I'll click that. It's going to. So I'll go to my internal storage and I'll go and look for those files. Just screenshot. I'm going to click import your track where the screenshots are. I believe pictures. Then look for screenshots. Then I'll click that particular video I made. I have to confirm, sort, file name, click on newest first. It's going to show me the ones I have, like I did recently. I'll click on this. So I'll open my import. I already checked where my screenshot is. I'll go there. I'll pick the file. So I'll click it. It's going to show preparing video for mastering. That's the original video.
I'm doing screen recording and I need to record for something.
Now, did you see? Many times your input gain might be lower than this. It might be somewhere here. Let's say if the video is low, this is where it will be. It might probably be low. All you need to do is just raise it. Don't raise it too much. You can put it at maybe 4 point plus 4 decibels. That's okay. And then just click on export. So you have the option to export the complete video or to export audio. If you want to save your data, you can actually export audio and then take both the video and the audio to CapCut. Then mute the original audio and then import this one. That's what I usually do on the iPhone. So I don't have to use much data downloading. But do you? Let's say export video. It's going to give you a new video. Exporting the video out for me. I don't know about quality. So it showed me, see, sharing video. I can click to play with VLC so I see the video. I can just open my drive and just save it there. You can see. Just open it, save it there. See you in our next video.